Today I'm making a red cabbage slaw with some very nice dressing. My work colleague has recently told me about this recipe and I've tried it once and I think it's brilliant. It looks very festive, very cheerful. I think it would look very good. I think it would look amazing on a Christmas table or, I don't know, maybe Halloween or something. And yeah, all the ingredients are really cheap. I bought most of them from Lidl, and the ingredients are as follows. So, red cabbage, pickled gherkins. I buy these all the time. I'm not a big fan of vinegar, but these use vinegar very sparingly, and it's like sweetened vinegar anyway. So yeah, stuff lemon for lemon juice for the dressing. There's gonna be a carrot in my slaw, and just to look festive, I've got this pepper. Look at him, isn't he amazing? I think he comes from Spain, I believe. Hola, ¿cómo está? Sorry, Spanish people, I'm an idiot. Right, and one secret ingredient, which is not from Lidl at all. I got this from Amazon. This is an Egyptian spice mix. It's called Dukka, and you can get it from Amazon. You can get it in some supermarkets. I believe Marks and Spencer store it, but the easiest thing is just to buy it on Amazon. I paid £5 for about 50 grams, and it will last me. Right, let's make this stuff. Right, so this is the mandolin. And you see this blade here, it's extremely sharp, it's very sharp, so always use a protector for it. This is known as a finger slicer in the catering industry, because every time you think I'm not going to be the one, you are going to be the one who will slice your fingers, so don't. Just keep your fingers away from it. Look at it. Okay. So we are not using a lot of it. I'd say maybe this much. And this slaw that I'm making, it will last me. So I'm cooking it for one person, and yeah, I think it will last me maybe 4 days, something like that. So the idea with this is you keep your fingers protected and the slice like so. Like I said, you can do it with a knife, but it's just better with the mandolin. And see, you get very thin, uniform pieces. Alright, so this will get sliced. Okay, so I ended up with this much cabbage, so that's going in the container where we're going to mix everything. That's quite a bit. I can't make small portions. I don't know what it is with me, but there you go. Right, so senior pepper is going to be sliced as well. And as for the carrot I'm gonna do something different just to make it look a little bit festive. Right, okay, so pepper gets sliced. Just like so. And you get thin slices like this. Beautiful. There is no seeds in this one. Well, not a lot of seeds in this pepper. But yeah, obviously you want to de-seed the pepper. So now we are going to chop a couple of gherkins. Make our dish a little bit sour, a little bit, well, I should say a little more sour and salty. And the way I chop these is slice them in half into slices like these, and then cut them thinly into these kind of pieces. Alright, so this is what I've ended up with. I think this is three pieces. 3 gherkins. Right, so what we have left to do now is do something about this carrot, and I'm gonna do something different. So, I mean, yeah, cut this bit off and this bit off, and the rest is going to be yield. In other words, the rest of it is all going in our dish. So you could just slice it on a mandolin, and then sort of like so you'd slice it, and then you take those slices and you could sort of do this kind of action with them, and that's gonna be fine. But I have a special tool which looks like this, looks like a peeler, but hopefully you can see it's got teeth. And what these teeth can do is this, watch. I'll have this stuff. Only, yeah, again, you have to keep your fingers well away from the teeth. I've hurt myself on this too a few times. So yeah, if you're using one of these, then just be careful, yeah. Right, so we end up with something like this. I think it looks very festive. Right, okay, I'll finish peeling this, and it's going in our dish. Now for the dressing, all we have to do is get some lemon juice in here. Right, so I'm gonna roll it a little bit to soften it up, cut it in half, and squeeze the lemon juice, avoiding the stones, or the pits, whatever they're called. Stones, I suppose, seeds. Yeah, avoiding them. So lemon juice goes in there, a splash of olive oil, and this is not exactly half and half. I'd say there's less oil than the juice. And now dukkha, I keep it in a jar like this. So I would go like 2 spoonfuls. All right, mix this, mix. Have a look at it. Given the size of the portion, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil in there, simply because, as always, I've made loads. And this is our dressing. I mean, I'm gonna put some salt in there, and that's it. So I've got some very nice salt, generous amount. There you go. Salt works very well with sour taste. I've got lemon juice in there, so this is going to be good. This is going to be so good. Alright, and now we are going to put this in our dish. And we are going to mix this very thoroughly. So, salads are mixed by hand. It's just easier like that, alright? I mean, if you don't like to touch food, that's fair enough, that's sort of up to you. But this is all we need to do, literally. You just mix this stuff like so, and you end up with this beautiful looking thing. Look at it. Isn't it wonderful? I think it looks very festive. And yeah, give it 10 minutes and this is going to be lovely. Look at it. This is going to taste lovely. And yeah, this is a side dish, as well as a side dish, so it's nice with other bits. This is completely vegan and vegetarian friendly, as you've seen from the ingredients. But you can eat it with meat, or I like it with a hot dog. So yeah, there you go. Try it.